Osmo Pocket Camera Settings. Setting the shooting mode. By default, the camera starts in video mode. Tap the icon in the lower left corner to select a shooting mode. Setting the shooting parameters. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to set the shooting parameters. Various parameters can be set in different shooting modes. Setting the image and audio parameters. Swipe left in the camera view to adjust the image and audio settings. Tap Pro to adjust the Pro parameters. You can apply beautify filters or enable glamour effect. The film tone filters allow you to capture videos with a cinematic look. For professional color grading in post-production. Tap Color and select D-Log mode. The new D-Log 210-bit mode delivers better image quality and wider dynamic range, preserving more highlight detail. It is ideal for advanced scenarios that require more precise color grading. The captured footage can be exported to DJI Mimo for color grading. The camera provides more intelligent autofocus options in continuous focus mode. Product Showcase mode is ideal for filming unboxing shots. The camera will focus on foreground subjects for better showcase at close range. Subject lock tracking can be used for multi-person scenes. Tap the subject frame. The camera will continuously track and maintain focus on the selected subject. You can also select Registered Subject Priority and follow the on-screen instructions to register. The camera will autofocus on the registered subject in the camera view. When breathing compensation is enabled, focus transitions will be smoother. Tap the microphone icon to adjust audio settings. In noisy environments, it is recommended to enable wind noise reduction and vocal boost. Spatial audio channel enables a more immersive, live music experience during playback.